In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva Slow. If Canva has been lagging while you type, stuttering when you move elements, or taking forever to load media and open panels, this guide will help you get things running smoothly again. The good news is that in most cases, you do not need a powerful computer or advanced technical skills. A few simple checks and adjustments can make a big difference. First, before changing anything on your computer, check whether the issue is actually coming from Canva's side. Open a new browser tab and go to status.canva.com. Once you're there, look for the sections related to site performance and media delivery. If there's an outage or degraded performance, the slowdown may be part of a larger issue affecting many users. In that case, the best option is to wait for Canva to resolve it. But if everything shows as operational, then the problem is likely local, and we can continue. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This is one of the most common fixes for Canva performance issues because old cached files and stored site data can interfere with how the editor loads and responds. In your browser, click the menu in the top right corner and choose the option to clear browsing data. Set the time range to all time, then select cookies and other site data, along with cached images and files. After that, click Clear Data. This removes outdated temporary files without affecting the designs saved in your Canva account. After that, check hardware acceleration in your browser settings. Open your browser settings, then go to the System or Advanced section. Look for the setting called Use Graphics Acceleration when available, or Hardware Acceleration. If it's off, turn it on. This allows your browser to use your computer's graphics hardware to render Canva more efficiently, which can improve scrolling, dragging, video playback, and overall responsiveness. If Canva is still slow, close unused browser tabs and background web apps. Too many open tabs can consume RAM and processing power, leaving less available for Canva. Close anything you do not need, especially heavy pages like streaming sites or busy web apps. This helps free up memory so Canva has more room to run properly. Finally, go back to Canva and perform a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and R. This forces the browser to reload the page directly from the server instead of relying on older local files. Once the page reloads, check that Canva shows all changes saved, then test your canvas by